The next example that we're going to look at is not as closely related to our previous examples because we're not dealing with intersections, complements, or unions in this case, but we are going to look at another relationship between sets called the difference. So the difference of two sets, right? A and B, symbolized A minus B, so it just looks like a subtraction sign, is a set of all elements that belong to set A but not to set B. Okay, so looking at our little picture of our Venn diagram here, remember A is everything in this circle. It's region 1 and 2 if we go back to those Roman numerals. But we want the stuff that's in A but not in set B, so we're actually just going to shade in here region 1. Right? So that is our A minus B, our difference of sets A and set B. All right. So in this example, we're given the universal set of A through K. A is B, C, E, F, G, and H, and B is A, B, C, G, and I. And we're asked to find A minus B and B minus A. These are not going to have the same answers because we're starting with different sets. All right, so we're going to start with, we want everything that's in A but not in B. All right, so let's go through items one by one. B, well, that's in set B, so that won't work. C is also in set B, so we can't use that. E is in set A but not B, right? So E is going to be our first element in this difference. F is only in this set, right? Because he's not in set B. G is in both, so we can't use them. H is just in set A, it's not in set B. So we end up with E, F, and H for our difference. All right, now going the other way, just like normal subtraction is not commutative, again, these are not commutative, we don't get the same answer. Right, so we look at set B. We want stuff that's in B but not A. A, just a letter A, right? Not set A, but just this little letter A is going to be in that set. Then we have B, well, it's in both, so that won't work. C is in both, so that won't work. G, well, that's in both, so that won't work. I is only in set B, but not in set A. All right. So we have our difference. Again, looking at our picture up above, A minus B, remember, is going to be region 1. Right? So this little picture shows A minus B. And remember that, and just to kind of make a little note here, right, A minus B is not the same as B minus A. Right? So there is a difference.